We now have our first real look at the iPhone 17 lineup, and it's bringing some exciting changes. A new hands-on video has leaked online showing molds of the upcoming iPhone 17 models. These molds are used to help case makers prepare for the new phones, and they give us a good idea of what to expect. The video, shared by YouTuber iDevice Help and leaker Imagine Boo, gives us our clearest look yet at the design. Based on these molds, the iPhone 17 series could have one of the biggest design changes in years. For several generations, Apple has kept a similar design with only small updates, like the dynamic island and the action button. But this time, things seem to be changing in a bigger way. The iPhone 17 series will introduce new design features that make it stand out from previous models. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to replace the Plus model. The video confirms that the iPhone 17 Air will have a horizontal camera bar on the back. This matches previous leaks, but the most surprising detail is how thin it is. At just 5.588 millimeters or 0.22 inches, it's one of the thinnest iPhones ever. Apple seems to be focusing on making it light and easy to carry, which could be great for people who prefer a slimmer phone. Meanwhile, the Pro models still have the same camera layout, but with some noticeable changes. The flash, microphone, and LiDAR scanner have been moved toward the right side. This could mean Apple is making internal changes to improve photography and video recording. Another leak from Ice Universe suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be slightly thicker than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The reason? It could be to fit a larger battery, which would help with battery life. A thicker design might also help with heat dissipation, making the phone better for gaming and other high-performance tasks. There are also rumors that all iPhone 17 models will get aluminum frames and 120Hz refresh rates. This would be a big upgrade for the standard iPhone 17, making scrolling and animations much smoother. With all these changes, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhone releases in years. More details will likely emerge as we get closer to launch, so stay tuned for updates.